Here you can select right hand or left hand, and that will reverse the left and right buttons on the mouse, as you can see. So this is very cool. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. Today we're going to unbox and look at the new mouse from Razer, the Viper. So let's have a look at the box here. It's interesting because when I ordered this, it came with a little gift, which is in this little box right here. So I'm going to show that first very quickly because this is quite cool. It came with a keychain. Look at that. A little keychain, and as you can see, it's the actual mechanical switch that we find in a lot of Razer keyboards. So this is the mouse, and it comes with this little like paper around it. It's an interesting packaging, and this is it. Look at that, the new Razer Viper. I like the packaging of Razer. This was here the box for the wireless charger for my my phone, my Razer phone. And again, look at this nice packaging here, green and black, and it's actually matte black. And it's exactly the same for the mouse. So let's open the box here. There's a tape over here. Okay. Nothing else in the box here. Little, the typical Razer welcome note here, which I like very much. Kind of a plastic little sheet. And unleash your true potential. I won't read this. And here we have the little booklet. And what do we have here? Probably, yeah, specs. Oh, yeah, the famous Razer stickers, which we like very much in the family. All of our skateboards have Razer stickers on them. So here, I'll show that to you here when I open the when I look at the mouse. So it shows here the buttons and specs over here. And in the box we have here the cable, which is special. So I'll talk about that again in a few seconds. I just want to open this here and get the wow, this is quite a intricate. There you go. And there you go. Wow. And guys, the reason I chose this mouse, it's because it is ambidextrous. Sorry for my accent, but something like that. Ambidextrous. The cable is a speed, they call it a speed flex cable, and I understand why now. It's 2.1 meters long, or 6.9 feet. I know why Razer did not make this 7 feet, 6.9. You know, sometimes I just wonder. I used to work in marketing, and I just wonder why 6.9. But yeah, very, very nice. Hard to see here on camera, but it's a fabric. It's not rubber. It's not plasticky. It's a very nice fabric, actually. And look at the finish from Razer products. There is even a little cap on top of the USB, not cable, but USB adapter. Very nice finish. Ambidextrous, guys, because I'll show you when we go upstairs to my office and we connect this to my computer. But I use the mouse on with my left hand because I like to have my right hand free for the keypad, or the number pad. So it's faster, and I'm a big Excel user, so I can work much faster this way. So in terms of specs, and I looked at the manual, and I have a summary here. This is a very interesting mouse because the switches are actuated by an infrared light beam. And I must say, you know what? I like the feeling of the click of the mouse wheel a lot. It's not too strong because that really bugs me, and it's just enough feeling. So I like that a lot. So the response time for the click is 0.2 millisecond. I think it's fast enough for me. Yeah, I don't think I move faster than 0.2 milliseconds, but I'm not a big gamer. But I like Razer products, and I like having a mouse that has a cable, because I cannot stand changing a battery in a mouse. Like in the middle of video editing and the battery is dead. That drives me crazy. So the mouse wheel click here is good for 70 million clicks life cycle. I should be able to last a good 2 years, I think. It has the what they call the 5G optical sensor, 99.4 tracking accuracy, 16,000 dpi. You can adjust that. There's a button at the bottom of the mouse here, not at the top, and this is for gamers, because you could by accident during your gaming touch the DPI switch. That would be a disaster when you are gaming. It's extremely light. It's 69 grams. So if you guys like a mouse with weight, I would not recommend the Viper. It's very, very light. Like I said, speed flex cable. Oh, you have the chroma lighting. We don't see it right now. It's all black, but when I connect it on my computer, we'll have a look at that. So chroma lighting, 16.8 million colors. I think that's enough to choose what you want, guys. 16.8 million. You have preset 5 custom DPI stages using the Synapse 3 software from Razer. The underside DPI button, like I said, you have 8 programmable buttons. We have 2 here and 2 here. That's 4, but there must be a little more. We'll have a look at that also. And finally, it has the 2-year warranty. Not 1 year, but 2 years. So now let's go to my computer, connect this, and see how it performs. All right, I've installed my Viper mouse beside my Black Widow keyboard. And by the way, I have here my wireless charger for my Razer phone that I did review like a couple of weeks ago. Just want to mention that again. And I'm replacing basically my Kruger. I did a review of this mouse, guys, like 2 years ago. And it's aluminum. It's about double the weight of the Viper. So if you're looking for a heavier mouse, I would recommend this one. But it's dead after 2 years. The wheel here, it doesn't scroll anymore. So I had to replace that. Tried to fix it, but I couldn't. And I have here the Synapse app open. I'll just move sideways so we don't get the reflection from the window. So I have my keyboard settings and the new Viper mouse. So if I click on this, then we have at the top here, we can customize, we can alter performance, lighting of course, and calibration, as we will see. So we have 8 buttons. I did mention 4 before, but we also have the DPI and the switches and the wheel. And look at the bottom here. You can select right hand or left hand, and that will reverse the left and right buttons on the mouse, as you can see. So this is very cool. Now if I click on performance, I left it at the default stage 3, which is blue. And if you look at the mouse, if you take the mouse away, for example, to a different computer, you can still see in what stage you are by having, you see the blue light right here. And here, if we go to lighting, I am at brightness of 70%. I set the display turn off when display is off. And I went for a quick, just a quick effect here with cycling. You can go to different settings. You can have static if you prefer only one color. So cycling. And finally, calibration. You can calibrate a different surface if you want to. I left it at the default for my good fellows math here, and it works perfectly. So that's it for the menus guide. Back to customize here. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And again, this is my phone now charging, but let's go back to the mouse. So like I said, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.